Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, May 30th, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And once again, we're going to be dealing with showers and thunderstorms for today. But the setup is a little bit different than what we saw yesterday, where it was a lot more dynamic and there was a higher threat for tornado-producing thunderstorms. And we certainly had a share of those yesterday and some very significant and impressive thunderstorm development in the afternoon and evening hours. This time, I think the focus is going to be mostly on the heavy rainfall, which was still pretty impressive yesterday. But we certainly have a little bit of a cooler setup this time around than what we saw yesterday, especially in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Now, this morning, we clearly have a very cool marine air mass with plenty of moisture throughout much of the New York City metro and over the interior, with temperatures ranging from the mid-50s to lower 60s, areas of fog, low clouds. But notice as we head south towards Philadelphia and down towards southern New Jersey, our temperatures jump up into the mid-60s to lower 70s. And that dynamic is going to remain in place for this afternoon as an area of low pressure travels along this boundary and a cold front dives in from the Great Lakes, producing that threat for showers and thunderstorms. The best threat for severe thunderstorms will be around the Philadelphia metro and southern New Jersey and point south, where we'll have a far more unstable atmosphere. But again, I'm thinking more of a threat for hail and straight line winds than tornadoes, but certainly a tornado cannot be ruled out. When we take a look at the latest satellite picture, our low clouds and fog remain in place along the coast here. Our frontal boundary lingers back all the way back to the Ohio River Valley, and then our cold front that is separate from our stationary boundary is diving through the Great Lakes with showers and thunderstorms. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, we'll see a break in these low clouds. We'll get some scattered cloud cover, and then showers and thunderstorms starting to develop after about 3 p.m. Those showers and thunderstorms will head towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area just in time for your rush hour, with very heavy downpours and that threat for severe thunderstorms, especially in the Philadelphia metro. These thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, vivid lightning, hail, and yes, even a potential tornado. Temperatures will vary significantly depending on where you are with this frontal boundary. If you're to the north or along that frontal boundary, you're basically having temperatures in the mid-60s to lower 70s. To the south, mid-70s to lower 80s. So a bit of a difference, about a 10 to 20 degree thermal gradient setting up over the region with this frontal boundary. And then here's our cold front coming in, clearing everything out. So this evening it's going to be stormy once again. But by the time we get to Friday morning, a lot of that moisture pushes off the coast. Still an isolated shower in the early morning hours, followed by clearing skies. Look for lows in the lower 60s. Highs by tomorrow afternoon in the mid to upper 70s with scattered cloud cover. On Saturday, high pressure starts to exit the region. We'll see scattered cloud cover for much of the day, but watch out for a few isolated showers in the evening with an approaching cold front. Temperatures on Saturday range from the mid to upper 50s for lows, upper 60s to mid 70s over Long Island, mid-70s to lower 80s everywhere else. On Sunday, an area of low pressure and a cold front will be approaching the region. Actually, several areas of low pressure. And that's going to keep the threat for scattered showers in place throughout the day. Not a complete washout, but definitely keep an eye to the sky. And if you have an outdoor plan, you might want to get a backup plan just in case for indoors activities. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid 60s to lower 70s on the coast, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. On Monday, all that clears out. We have a few lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Lows in the lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies, but it's going to be chilly. We're talking about lows in the mid 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Wednesday, high pressure starts to exit with scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the mid 40s to lower 50s. Highs, though, a bit warmer. Upper 60s to lower 70s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. And on Thursday, a cold front will approach with a few isolated to widely scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.